In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email newsletters in Canva. If you want to send brand updates, company news, or marketing content that actually looks polished, Canva makes the process much easier. You do not need to code an email from scratch or struggle with complicated design software. Instead, you can build a clean, professional newsletter using Canva's built-in layouts and editing tools. I'll walk you through the full process so your design looks clear, readable, and ready to use in your email platform. First, open Canva and start with the correct project size. This is important because one of the most common mistakes is designing a newsletter using the wrong dimensions, which can cause display issues on phones or smaller screens. From the Canva homepage, go to the top right corner and click Create a Design. In the search bar, type email, then choose the standard email newsletter size, which is CC600 by 2000 pixels. That gives you a vertical workspace designed for email-friendly formatting. Once your blank canvas opens, it's time to choose a template. On the left-hand sidebar, click the Design or Templates section. In the search bar there, enter a phrase that fits the kind of newsletter you want to make, such as a weekly business update, a product roundup, or a simple corporate newsletter. Browse through the options and pick one that matches your brand style. When you click it, the template will be placed directly onto your canvas, giving you a ready-made structure to work from. Next, replace the sample visuals with your own images. Go to the Uploads tab on the left side and click Upload Files. Select your image files from your computer and wait for them to appear in Canva. Then drag an image from the upload panel onto the main image area of the template. Canva will snap it neatly into the frame, which saves time and helps keep everything aligned. After that, update the text and organize your message clearly. Click into the main headline area, highlight the placeholder text, and type a short benefit-focused title that is easy to scan. Use the toolbar at the top to adjust font size and style as needed. Then update the supporting text below so it reads cleanly and consistently. If your template includes a call to action area, make sure the button text is clear, like read more or shop now, and use a strong contrasting color so it stands out. Finally, review everything before exporting. Check that your columns feel balanced, your spacing is clean, and all placeholder text has been removed. When you're ready, click Share in the top lower right corner, then choose Download. Select PNG for sharp image quality or PDF standard if you need a document version, then click Download to save your finished newsletter. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you.